Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com, and in today's chart of the day we are going to be going over light sweet crude oil futures. This is the October delivery here. We are looking at a weekly chart currently trading 74.27. Couple of big things happening here on the shorter time frames. Not much movement on the weekly time frames. You can see here on the weekly chart we are still stuck in this range here. We've been bouncing around for quite some time in this range. No serious movement up or down. We go down to the daily chart. Remember that we're still waiting on this large short. This is basically the short of oil here for the past few years now, and that has got a target all the way down. Remember how improbable it is, down at 750. So that is out there, that huge short. Anticipate long-term bears coming in the market should we trade up into 90 even. Now, heading down to the daily chart, a couple different things going on. We've had two different moves that we've been watching. One to the downside, one to the upside, as this range continues to get smaller and smaller and smaller. You can see the market squeezing in on itself, packing more and more contracts traded inside this area, which means explosion once we get out of it. Okay, there's either going to be stops hit or there's going to be serious covering. Now let's break it down. What to anticipate here? We've seen selling into this resistance area. We saw 2 days up in that resistance area, broke back down, and it was tested again. We're going to go down to the 15-minute chart, get a better view of this. On the 15-minute chart, if we go to a 20-day, this is going to allow us to see exactly what we are talking about when we say we sold up into 78.04s, sold off, came back, tested it again. This is after bouncing at our support area. So we had two different sides playing this thing back and forth, and the perfect range play back and forth. Didn't get a breakout. Now what is important is after not having a measured move respected for quite some time, we finally got a measured move of individuals coming in to sell this market at 74.90s. That has moved us all the way back down, almost testing swing lows here at 73.84. Should we break below 73.84, anticipate this thing quickly coming down, hitting its target down at 73.29. Now what does that mean for us? Okay, this move has been respected. Should we see selling down to the target, anticipate a continuation of the short trend. Continue to play that move to the downside. Looking for, now if we go back to the daily chart, where's the next support level? Where's the area where they're going to be able to pick this thing back up? Well, there isn't one. Okay, the next area of support is going to be swing lows, which is going to be right here, 72.62, one to keep track of. The next one down is going to be 70.74. You can see the classic head and shoulders pattern that formed, descending, gone down. If we break below this line, look out, this thing is coming down, okay? Right towards its target, which is up here on that daily short. So nothing out of the ordinary, nothing unpredictable, but what has happened is it's gone a lot slower than expected. So now we're finally starting to get some movement on oil. Again, looking for the breakdown of this support level. That's what's going to take us down into those swing lows and what's going to push us that much faster, that much quicker to the downside. So looking to get a couple people stuck to the long side and get some stops hit going into today. Now, that's the play on oil. Fairly straightforward, guys. If you've got any other questions or comments on any of the charts that we do, stop by the website, www.pillartrading.com. Leave us a question, leave us a comment. We try to get to those as soon as we can. If not, hopefully everyone has a good trading day, a nice weekend, and we will see you all in the next video.